Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudia cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudia Cook's Kitchen. Today we are making a pumpkin punch and we're keeping it non-alcoholic, so you won't see any Guinness or Dragon Stout or anything else in this drink. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's get making this delicious sponge. Woo-hoo! Okay, let's start off with some water in the pan. I've got about 3 cups of water in there, and to that I'm going to add a cinnamon stick just for flavor and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt for flavor. Now to the water we are adding about 2 cups of pumpkin. It's all been peeled and washed. Let's get the fire on. Okay, we're going to bring that to the boil, and once it starts boiling, right, we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until fork tender. So I'm going to put a lid on now, and then I will be back when it's all done. Okay, let's check the pumpkin. It's been boiling for about 20 minutes. Yes, look at that. It's nice, tender. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to turn the fire off and we're going to take it off the heat, set it aside and let it stay there until it's cool. And once it's cool, we'll move on to the next stage. Okay, let's remove the cinnamon stick that we added for extra flavor and the salt that we put in here for balancing out and adding flavor to the pumpkin drink, because we're using a lot of sweetness, so we need the salt to enable balance. So let's get that into my blender. Let's blend. Look how beautiful that is looking. Absolutely beautiful. Let's transfer it to a bowl and let's add the rest of the ingredients. Guys, I forgot to add some banana, and that's just going to give it a bit more extra creaminess and add some flavor to it as well. So I'm going to blend that. This is smelling amazing, guys, and I'm going in now with some Nutriment. Just putting in about 1/4 cup, because I'm hoping that I can still keep this vibrant orangey yellow color in the juice. Going in with some vanilla extract, about 1 teaspoon or to taste. Up with some cinnamon, allspice and nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon of the cinnamon, and we're going in with just under 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, and all these flavors are going to add a bit of depth and warmth to this beautiful drink. And I remember as a child, you know, this was one of the drinks that we would have on a Sunday, and I remember it fondly, and I thought, why not make it more often? You know, don't just leave it for a special occasion. Make it so that your family can enjoy it, just as my grandmother and mother did when I was growing up. So I want to pass on the same tradition. Yeah, and we're going in with some nutmeg. You can use ground, but I like to use the fresh nutmeg. Just going to give a good grating for a desired taste. Just give that a good mix. Oh my goodness, I really love the smell of the allspice and the nutmeg and cinnamon. It really brings back childhood memories, seriously. Right, and after you mix that all out, we're going in with some condensed milk. And again, it's to your taste. You know, you develop this as much or as little as you want to reach your desired taste. I don't like it too sweet, so I'm just doing mine the way I like it and my family likes it. All right, let's give a little taste. Oh my goodness, that's just perfect for me. I don't want any more milk or sweetness in this. This is just the perfect taste for the amount of pancha I've got here. I'm going to pop that in the fridge for about maybe 20 to 30 minutes and let it cool, and then we're going to serve up. Okay, let's serve up some of this juice. Look at that beauty. Doesn't that look amazing? Let's add a bit of nutmeg on the top. And now I'm just going to add leaf of mint. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Tastes delicious. And there you have it, guys, my non-alcoholic Jamaican pumpkin punch. Look at that. Guys, if you're liking this and want to make it, subscribe, share, and leave me a comment. Enjoy. Let's have a taste tester going in. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You have to give this a try. Thumbs up from me. And if you like pumpkin juice, let me know in the comments how you make yours as well, whether you put alcohol in or no alcohol at all, or what else do you add in it. But yeah, this is incredibly flavorful, full of body, and that piece of banana just add a different flavor to this drink. It's absolutely yummy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.